Hi guys, it's Carrie with Rock and G Farm. Well, I did a video and I forgot to do an intro. So here's your intro. Just doing some tours on the farm. My husband's making me a rabbit hutch and I'm trying to get the garden shut down for the fall and working with the chickens and just a lot of stuff here on the farm, and you'll be able to see that in this video. Well, I started off the day trying to get the weeds that were between the greenhouse and the compost pile up. I thought they'd be real easy to pull up, but evidently they were a little harder than what I anticipated. So I tried to do it with the hoe. Then I tried to pull them with a pitchfork. Didn't work. So I eventually just said forget it, went and got some gloves and started pulling them out with my hands. Didn't take too long then, but we got all the weeds up and we're going to put them in the compost pile and get that compost pile heated up to kill all of the seeds from the weeds. But at least I made that spot beautiful. We finally got rain, and I left this out here, so I'm going to have to dump this and go and videoing. I'm going to dump this and go get some stuff out of my garden and get the garden, start getting that really, really well winterized. I'm going to leave this stuff here because I'm going to be using it in a while. Hey guys, this is bed 1, and as you can see, I have a lot of volunteer dill growing right now and a lot of weeds. So my project is to do today is to at least get 1 or 2 of these beds completely cleaned out and straw put on top of them and winterize for the winter. So let's get going. There's my chickens over there. I just fed them all. They're so excited. And I took their shade covers off of the top of the chicken run because if we have any snow or ice, it would break and tear all of those shade cloths. So I went ahead and took them off and put them up in the greenhouse for the winter. Okay, this is the weeds out of just bed 1. So now I'm just going to take them to our burn pile and put them in our burn pile and hopefully get them burned by the end of the week. We're finally out of a burn ban, considering that we've had some good rain in the past couple of days. So hopefully we'll get everything closed up and ready for the winter. And y'all are just coming along. They're in the burn pile. on bed 1. Okay, so now I've decided, with talking to my husband, we're going to go ahead and pull all of the tubing out and put it in the greenhouse just for extra protection. Well, as you can see, I've got all of bed 1 ready for the winter. I've pulled all the drip tubing out, and we're going to go from bed to bed to bed, moving all of the drip tubing out. I've called my farmhand to see if he can come help me get all these weeds out and pull these old plants out and get them into the burn pile so we can burn them. I'm going to try to clean this area up and make it look spotless and beautiful before we go into the winter time. But right here we have all of our volunteer deal. I've got some actually inside in the dehydrator now. So I'm gonna just kind of continue to let this grow and continue to pull some and put it in the dehydrator. But that's what I've got done so far for today. So my husband is awesome. I had been talking about wanting to get some rabbits on the farm, and he took the initiative to start making me a rabbit hutch, and it is even going to have a plexiglass windows in it so they can make sure that they get plenty of sunshine. Well, guys, thanks for joining me today as we did a video, and I forgot to do the intro and the exit. So thanks for joining me. If you like my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and share, because that helps my videos get out to other people. And I really appreciate it when you do share my videos and comment. So guys, thanks for joining me, and make what you have beautiful.